Hi, it's Peter, and in this video I want to give you a small preview or a devlog about the 2D farm game course that I am preparing. Okay, this is my prototype. I'm currently using the temporary assets because I can't really use those for the course. I'm collecting some of the cool pixel art farm assets that I will be able to share with you. Now I have the movement system ready, which detects the collisions using the kinematic rigid body and custom collision detection, so there is no sliding around the obstacles. It is like in the classic Nintendo games like in Pokemon or Zelda, that you need to simply walk around the obstacle. You can't really slide around it using the dynamic rigid body. In addition to that, we have the dark green field, which represents the field in our game, and in the bottom right corner you have the tool that is selected right now. Those are seeds. I can't really interact with the field, although I have the field selected, the part of it, but I need to change the tool to the hoe and prepare the field. As you can see, some animation is being played, and I can now change the tool to be the seeds. Now I can saw the whatever it is a cart right now. I can also change the tool to be the empty, which is the hand tool, which allows me to collect some objects like this sunflower, but also those rocks, because they are the debris that we need to clean before we can prepare the ground. And I have also started working on the NPC system, where I will have some dialogue when we try to interact with an NPC. For the project management, I am using Trello board with some lists of tasks, done tasks and doing tasks. And as you can see, there is a lot to do on the project, but basically this is a very good way to keep track on what have you done so far, as well as to collect your thoughts on what needs to be done and what is redundant and what you do not need for your project to work. Okay, that is it. I will be creating more devlog videos that go into more details about some of the ideas and game mechanics that I am preparing for the 2D farm game course. I do hope that you will enjoy those videos. For now, thanks a lot for watching this video. Take care.